Hello and welcome, guys. Thank you so much for being here again. This is Mustapha speaking, MrFulltime.com. So today again, we'll be going with the same section of how and where to find some great domain names with a new website. So let's discover the website together. Our website today is ShortNames.com. So let's get started. So yeah, this is the website ShortNames.com. So as you can see here, there are many options right here. I'll just explain it in brief. So when you see this letter C means character. When you see the letter L means letters. When you see the letter N means numbers. So as you can see here, we have for L means 4 letters .com or .net or any other extension. So here, as you can see, there are only 4 numbers, and here 4 characters means you can find a letter here or number, and same in the second one, third one, and fourth one, but there are only 4 characters. And here we have 5L means 5 letters. So we can just go and click one of them, but when I'm visiting this website, I just go most with 4 letters or 5 letters. So I will just click 4 letters for now. So as you can see here, you will find many options right here. If you would like to get only the auctions, fixed price, make offers only, or drop in soon, or just to check the previous sales, as you can see here, or the price charts right here. So you can just check one by one in the menu. We'll just go with few of them today. So as you can see here, we'll click auctions. There are many 4 letters that are in the auctions right now. As you can see here, here is the date of the creation and when it will expire and how many bits this domain name has until now, and what is the actual price, and the end time means how many hours or days still to the end of the auction. So we'll just check here if we can find some great domain names that are like easy to pronounce or even to spell. This is one of the examples. We have ovmz.com, created in 2007 and still 6 months to be expired. And here is, and we are in the last 13 hours for the auction to be ended. So we will just click here and check it. So yeah, as you can see here, if you read instructions right here, this is the current bid is 30 euros and the reserve price is reached, and I'm sure this domain name will go for more than 100 or even $150 because it's 4 letters only. Even it includes the letter Z, which is one of the bad letters, as it's difficult to pronounce, and there are only few words that starts with the letter Z. So as you can see, it's pronounced like ovmz.com, easy to pronounce. Yeah, so let's check another domain name. As you can see here, there are many options. You can go with them here in the right sidebar or in the left sidebar. So for example here, if you want the domain name to be with consonant, vowel, you can just select this one, and same here, vowel, consonant, and you have all the options right here. For example, if I would like to include any keyword right here, you can just mention it here. And here in the right, we want only, for example, GoDaddy and only .com. So let's check now what is the result of our filter. So here, as you can see, there are many options right here. There is this one, O1. I think it's easy to pronounce. It's a very good one. As you can see here, 90 bits, and the price now is $1,673 and still only 15 hours. And Izok like Larry.com, as you can see here, will expires after 9 years here, and the bits are only 29 bits, and the price is above $3,000, still 3 days. So you can just click here, but I'm sure this one would go for higher price. If it doesn't have any minimum, place minimum bid, current bid 3,000. So yeah, as you can see, I'm sure this one will go for more than $10,000, or at least like between 5,000 and 10,000. Like this is the minimum, because it's very good one. It's very easy to pronounce and to remember. Would be switchable for any brand or startup. So as you can see, you can go with fixed prices as well. Yeah, so you can buy one of this with this price if you would like to. This is just an example. So you can go with other like filters here and options. You can go to the next page until you find some great domain names. But as you can see here, there are some letters that are concerned as bad letters, including letter Z, including sometimes R, including Y, including U, sometimes including Q, including H, including K, including W, including X. Yeah, so those are some, let's say, some bad letters. If you would like to get some strong brand and domain name for your business, it's better to exclude these letters. So yeah, you can just go, as we said, with something like 5 letters right here. I like also 5 letters because they are very short, especially if they are like pronounced. You can see here, we will just go with the options right here, and we will select pattern right here. You can select CVCVC, like my domain name, as I mentioned in one of my videos, bidod.com, bid plus od, lodiv, lodiv.com, like docaf, docaf.com, and so on. So you can just select the patterns right here. So we just go with this one. So yeah, as you can see, .com, CVCVC means consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, as you can see right here. Even you can exclude some letters, as I said earlier, but we can go with this one right now. Like here, WOBA, for example, TP, for example. So we can go with the second page and just check it, like tail off, for example. But I think this price is high, because you can find some others with low price. This is a fixed price with all. This is very high for this kind of domain names, because there are many available domain names. You can just wait for the chance to get like great one. Sometimes we get some good ones dropped, so we can just get them. Otherwise we can get them before they are dropped sometimes, and I will show you in the next videos one of the best websites. We get some great domain names before they are dropped or expired. You can just go again with the make offer. These are some domain names that the owner purchased and listed them for sale, but he just listed them with make offer. So yeah, as you can see, you can just go again with the filters right here and select filters you would like to apply to these domain names. So you can go with other pages, and yeah, they have many great options right here. You can even go with the sales and check which domain names that are selling. So as you can see here, 24th means today. This domain name was sold for 1,200. This domain name as well sold for $1,175. This one also, comin.com, sold for $950. It was on yesterday. You can just check again with the filters you have here in the right and the left sidebars. So you can just check all this. Anos, I think this one is a very good one, because no in French means we. So Anos is a great brand name. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you still have any doubts with this website or other websites, or or other information you had in any of my videos, just reach out to me. I have my social media accounts in the description below as always. So yeah, thank you so much for being here again. Hope you got some value from this video. Please check my previous videos and just stay tuned for the upcoming videos. There are many websites that we'll go through in the next few days. So just stay tuned and I wish you good luck. Thank you so much. Mustafa was here, MrFulltime.com.